Hello everyone, welcome to our channel with the latest video from Liwa International Festival. Liwa Festival is an annual cultural event that takes place in Liwa, a desert oasis located in the western region of Abu Dhabi, in the United Arab Emirates. This beloved winter fest has captivated visitors for over 2 decades, drawing crowds of up to 40,000 from across the region. This festival celebrates the UAE's rich heritage, traditions, and the Bedouin way of life, offering a unique blend of culture, entertainment, and competitions. UAE's Bedouin culture is an important part of the nation's history and is a source of pride for many locals. Liwa village is almost 375 kilometers far from Dubai and 250 kilometers from Abu Dhabi. All the action takes place under the iconic Tal Moreeb, the UAE's tallest sand dunes, rising to 300 meters in Al Dhafra region. You can experience the scenic drive in your own car, or you can take a taxi to Liwa Desert from anywhere in Abu Dhabi. It is a famous destination, and most drivers will be familiar with the location. Free parking is available on-site with ample spots for visitors. Hosted by the Abu Dhabi Department of Culture and Tourism, Liwa Village promises an unforgettable journey into the heart of the UAE's heritage and vibrant spirit. This year's event brings 23 days of adrenaline-pumping activities, cultural immersion, and non-stop entertainment. With a perfect blend of Emirati traditions, family-friendly attractions, and thrilling adventures, there is something for everyone. The most adventurous part of this festival is that visitors can experience the exhilarating freedom of navigating the desert terrain on their own by self-driven quad bike or vehicles. You can witness numerous 4x4 vehicles, dune buggies, and quad bikes to amass at the iconic site as part of the winter experience. If you are a motorsports fan, you will definitely enjoy this adrenaline-pumping events that fill the desert air with roaring engines and thrilling stunts. Climb aboard the quad bikes for an adventure like no other, where your pulse races and adrenaline surges with each twist and turn. It is a must-do adventure to experience the thrill of a desert quad biking tour as you explore the vast expanses of sand dunes. Liwa International Festival stands out with its spectacular fireworks displays each evening at 8 p.m., lighting up the desert sky that bring joy and excitement. These nightly shows are held throughout the festival, featuring vibrant shapes and designs inspired by the festival's spirit and events. The dazzling fireworks create a magical atmosphere that highlights the uniqueness of the event and captivates the audience with breathtaking scenes. Liwa Village is the heart of the festival and blends Emirati traditions with family-friendly activities and thrilling experiences. Liwa Village has different zones to explore, offering cultural activities, attractions for the whole family, thrilling rides and games, dining options, shopping, entertainment, and more. Maiden is the ultimate gaming zone, featuring thrilling activities like a shooting range, laser tag, and an exhilarating 4x4 off-road track. It is the go-to destination for gaming enthusiasts craving action and adventure. Hollywood Circus Zone is packed with ultimate family entertainment. Winasa Zone is where family fun thrives, offering a perfect blend of creativity, thrills, and interactive entertainment for all ages. With art workshops, an immersive museum, a horror escape room, and a petting zoo, this zone promises unforgettable experiences for everyone. Adrenaline is a high-energy zone for thrill seekers, packed with exhilarating rides and skill games. A dynamic playground pulsing with excitement for all ages. This iconic attraction brings adventure and wonder to the village. Tarab Liwa Zone is the vibrant heartbeat of entertainment, where concerts and performances light up in the night and music and creativity come alive. After exploring the Liwa village zones, you can visit the Liwa Walk area for delicious local and global flavors, with mouth-watering food selections. You will find some of the UAE's iconic brands such as Salt, Flatburger, Ali Bai, and many more.